Extrajudicial killings, violation of human rights. Extrajudicial killings is a term that conjures images of lawlessness and brutality, represent a severe violation of human rights and the rule of law. These acts carried out by government officials or individuals acting with the tacit approval of the authorities, bypass legal and judicial procedures. Globally, extrajudicial killings manifest in various forms, including summary executions, targeted assassinations, and enforced disappearances. These actions are typically shrouded in secrecy and impunity, with perpetrators rarely held accountable. Victims often include political dissidents, human rights activists, journalists, and marginalized communities who are targeted for their perceived threat. The prevalence of extrajudicial killings poses significant challenges to international human rights standards. Organizations like the United Nations, Amnesty International, and Human Rights Watch continuously document and condemn such acts, calling for rigorous investigations and legal accountability. Despite these efforts, extrajudicial killings persist, fueled by political motives, corruption, and weak judicial systems. Extrajudicial killings often arise in environments where the rule of law is weak and the judiciary lacks independence. In many cases, these acts are perpetrated by state actors such as the military, police, or intelligence agencies who operate with impunity due to systematic corruption and political interference. Governments may justify these killings under the pretext of combating terrorism, insurgency, or severe crime, but they often target political opponents, activists, and other perceived threats through authority. Addressing the pervasive issue of extrajudicial killings requires a multifaceted approach that incorporates legal reform, institutional strengthening, international cooperation, and public engagement. In light of this research, eradication of extrajudicial killings is a complex but attainable goal. It requires a concerted effort from both domestic and international actors to strengthen legal frameworks, enforce accountability, and promote a culture of respect for human rights. By implementing these solutions, we can move towards a world where justice prevails and human dignity is upheld for all. Thank you and good morning.